So before I share the supplements, I'm going to preface this by saying I am not a doctor. I do have a degree in nutrition. However, I am not your nutritionist. So this is for entertainment purposes only. Be sure to take this information back to your primary health physician to see if you would benefit from these. This is what I do. I supplement with magnesium, and there's several different types of magnesium. I believe I made a video about this already. You can go onto my feed and scroll down, and I'll talk about magnesium a lot. But there are several different types of magnesium, and they all do different things. But you really want to be mindful of these three, and I'll tell you why. So the first one is going to be your magnesium citrate. Magnesium citrate is great for relaxing the body. So if you have a lot of muscle soreness, if you need to just calm down in general, the magnesium citrate is really going to help with that. Now, the next one is going to be magnesium glycinate. I don't know if it's glycinate or glycinate. I call it glycinate. This magnesium is the one that is going to help your GABA bind to its proper binding sites within the nervous system. So you have the GABA in there, but this magnesium glycinate is going to help GABA bind to the right source so that it can actually do its job. Now, the other magnesium source or type, that you want to be aware of is magnesium L-threonate. Now, magnesium L-threonate, this one is very unique because it was designed to actually cross the blood-brain barrier. So it is the only magnesium type that can actually cross the blood-brain barrier in high amounts. So it actually can get into the brain. And so this one is the one you're going to see in a lot of supplements that promise to help you focus and help with just brain function and all of that. That's going to be your magnesium L-threonate. And this is important because once it gets in the brain, magnesium is able to support GABA. It helps support GABA in functioning properly. So the magnesium glycinate is helping GABA to bind to its receptors, and the magnesium L-threonate is just helping support GABA in its functioning in the brain. Very important. Now there's one other element that is not part of magnesium. It's its own thing, and I'll tell you about that next. Okay, so we learned about magnesium glycinate. We learned about magnesium L-threonate. I told you about how magnesium citrate can help relax your body and your muscles. Now I want to tell you about L-theanine.